Hearty welcome, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. Honorable DGP Sri Gautam Sawant, Additional Director General of Police here, other distinguished police officers, distinguished invitees, and friends. We are all aware that technology is reshaping nearly every sector of society. The police and the law enforcement leaders are adopting to the 21st century technology developments to introduce new tools to meet new challenges for ever-developing new categories of crimes. This enhances public safety, catch criminals, and save lives. We have already seen in this exhibition through the several stalls the kind of technology that the police is using. And this is essential if for no other reason as criminal adversaries with an alternative code will always find ways of using technology for their purpose. Right today, the police are using technology as more police departments across the country are already deploying drones as eyes in the sky to follow criminal activities. An ever-expanding array of biometrics, including voice recognition, palm prints, wrist veins, iris recognition, gait analysis, and even heartbeats being used in the next generation identification methods. Shop spotter technology that uses sensors to detect gunfire, thermal imaging for detection in dark conditions, use of artificial intelligence and Internet of Things for predictive policing, smarter quizzes for Wi-Fi equipped laptops, tablets, in-dash computers for immediate access to spots, and several other new technologies are being deployed by our police officers. Last year at IASCR Tirupati, which is a new organization under MHRD, it was established here in 2015, and this year we have entered into our 6th year and our first batch of students, 35 students have graduated. Last year we introduced a course in forensic science with collaboration from National Technological University, Singapore. Forensic science brings together aspects of chemistry, physics, biology, and instrumentation to solve the real-world problems. The course that we have introduced demonstrates to the students how a sound understanding of fundamental scientific principles is required in order to apply them to the solution of criminal cases. This course is intended to provide critical thinking skills and in developing strong analytical mind. Through demos, students gain hands-on knowledge about lab instruments used in forensic science. Very few institutions are offering such courses at BSc, MSc levels and with regular intake of students. The outcome of IASCR Tirupati Forensic Science course is to develop critical thinking about scientific issues in assessing the validity of individual items of evidence. Students will also gain understanding of how modern science develops as an outcome of challenges presented by criminal acts. We have course contents introducing forensic science, chemical analysis, molecules, compounds, blood analysis using spatter, antibodies, and blood typing, estimation of time of death and the tools required for that, DNA forensic technology, ballistics and bullet analysis, fingerprint analysis and modern microscopy, polymers and fibers for forensic analysis, and drugs, crime analysis and overdose detection. The MOU that we have signed with the police force, it helps us in refining our course contents with expertise from police. This enables us to expand the course to a 1-year diploma or a 2-year master level course to train manpower as inputs into police forensic departments. Also, we could involve IIT Tirupati and IIIT Tirupati to develop a course involving the various technology components. In that way, Tirupati is uniquely placed to have both science and technology inputs for forensic courses. We could also arrange on-site visits of our students to forensic labs to get a first-hand experience. Create a forensic instrumental training center with all equipment that is needed, not only for students, but also for police force. We could also provide regional analytical lab facilities for actual analysis of samples. The center can slowly expand and include new specialized areas such as nuclear forensics, image processing, cell phone and digital forensics, high-throughput DNA sequencing and genotyping, microbial forensics, narco and explosive terrorism, etc., depending upon the requirement of police. This in brief is our forensic science course, and we thank the Andhra Pradesh AP Police Department for entering into this MOU, and we're very happy that as an education institution, we can also contribute to the societal good through the police force. We do hope that in the next year, we strengthen on this MOU and carry out a lot of detailed activities that are present in the MOU. We thank the Director General of Police, Shri Gautam Sawant, and also SP Shri Ramesh Reddy, who was mainly instrumental in drafting and putting this MOU into action. Thank you very much for inviting me for this function. I'm really indeed honored to sign MOU in all your presence. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. It's an honor to have you here with us, and it's an honor to get into this MOU.